Patrol and Rubble Super Pup are ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Jake and Chase were exploring the big cave. Jake got his foot stuck and needs our help to get out. Rubble, I need you and your jackhammer.
Rubble on the double.
Marshall, I need you and your emergency response X-ray screen.
Ready for a rough rescue.
PAW Patrol is on a roll. Okay, Chase, let's get Jake out of that cave.
Come on, pups. I need to see if Jake's foot is okay. Jake is down this way. But Marshall went down that way.
Okay, Rubble, follow the right fork and find Jake. See if you can get his foot free. Chase, you and I better get Marshall.
Ruff, ruff.
Rubble, down here!
Hang on, Jake. Yeah!
Yeah! All right, Super Rubble!
Whoop. Jackhammer.
You did it!
Woo, woo.
Ha! Ouch! That's smart!
We need Marshall. Marshall, come in.
Marshall, use your X-ray screen and get a look at Jake's foot. Make sure he didn't break anything.
Roof! X-ray screen. I don't see any broken bones. I think you just sprained it. One bandage coming up. Oh. We did it!
Thanks, PAW Patrol. You totally saved the day again.
Glad we could help. If you need anything while your ankle heals, just yelp for help.
Rusty's penguin problem. Ooh, it is hot. Ow! And that's even hotter. Are you okay, Botasaur? Whoa, you're really overheating. Hang in there, big guy. We'll get you cooled down in no time. All you need is a big breeze. I think Claw can help us out with that. Awesome job, Rusty. He's cooling down. Well, at least one of us is getting a break from the heat. Penguins! Hey, Liam. Penguins? Yeah, today the new penguins come to the animal park. Right, Mr. Wobblesworth?
Scheduled delivery!
That's weird. I didn't order anything. What could it be? Let's find out.
Meh.
Wow, it's a crate full of penguins! Woohoo! Real-life penguins! Yes! Not so fast, buddy. There's some kind of mistake. They were supposed to be delivered to the animal park. But they can stay here with us instead. Please?
Sorry, Liam, but penguins live in the Antarctic. It's way too hot for them here.
Okay.
Meh. Meh.
Whoa! They're making a run for it!
You guys go get them, and I'll call Ranger Anna at the animal park.
We're on it!
Meh. Meh. Meh.
Penguin! Hey! Get back here! Foxy!
Meh. 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 Meh.
Huh?
Meh.
Whoa! Hi, Ruby!
Hi, Anna. We've got a penguin problem.
Yes!
Meh. Meh. Meh.
There they are!
Meh. Meh.
Uh-oh. Come on, guys! We need your help! Okay, perfect. We've got them cornered. Jack and Crush, you go that way. Liam and I will go this way. No sudden movements. Almost. Now! Well, that could have gone better. Look! They're trying to hide in the bouncy castle. Great! You two stand guard while we go see if Anna's here yet.
Oh, no, Anna. You can't come and get them? Why not?
I'm having a bit of truck trouble.
Don't worry. We'll get those penguins to their nice cold home.
Thanks so much, kids. See you soon.
What's the best way to get them over there?
Oh, no. The heat must be getting to them.
Too bad the bouncy castle doesn't have wheels.
And air conditioning.
It doesn't, but it could. Great job, guys. Now that the penguins have cooled off, let's get them to the animal park. Time to pull. We've got to get there before that ice melts. Uh-oh!
Whoa, this is one big traffic jam.
What's going on, Officer Carl?
Can you believe it? The bridge is stuck. No traffic can get through to the animal park.
But we really need to get across, fast.
Well, I'll do what I can, Rusty, but... Hey, slow down over there now. Hold up, people.
Hi, Rusty.
Oh, hi, Ranger Anna.
How are my penguins?
Doing great! We're trying to keep them cool, and we'll all be over there soon. As soon as I can think of a plan. Ruby, what's the longest thing we have back at the yard? Like a piece of wood, or a steel beam, or...
Actually, the longest thing we have is a robot dinosaur.
Perfect! Botasaur, now that you're cooled off, we need your help. Good, Dino. Can you go up there and lie over the gap? Then the penguins can just walk across you. Uh-oh! Botasaur, are you okay?
Phew! Why is Botasaur the only one getting a break from today's heat?
We're gonna need another plan. We just need to get the penguins across without the bridge.
Penguins are birds, right? Why don't they just fly over the bridge?
Well, some birds can't fly, Liam, like penguins.
They're built more for swimming, diving, and being super totally adorable.
Wait, who says penguins can't fly?
You did, just now.
But what if we can help them fly? Ruby, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I think I am. Let's get some bits on the fix. Jack, we need your help. How exactly is this going to get the penguins to the animal park?
I'll show you. We use the bungee like a slingshot and launch them over, with the bridge as a ramp.
Maybe we should test it first.
Yeah, but with what?
Liam! Me? But, no, not you. You don't look like a penguin.
But Mr. Wobblesworth, on the other hand.
Okay, Wobbsy, time to hero up.
Ready, Jack? 3, 2, 1, launch!
Oh, no! Wobbsy?
Don't worry, Liam. Multi-tool grappling hook!
Thanks, Rusty.
Okay, that slingshot isn't strong enough. We need more power. And fast. It's getting even hotter.
Launching them was a good idea, but it just wasn't high enough. If only we could get them as high as a rocket.
That's it! Liam, you're a genius!
I am? Let's combine it
And design it. We use a blast of air from the bouncy castle.
Plus, we use a tube from the yard.
And my mallet attachment for the go-kart. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The hammer-powered penguin stomp launch-orama 5000!
Yay! I worked out the exact angle we need to get them over the bridge.
Great! Liam, it's showtime.
Come on, little guy. You're going to have a blast.
Meh.
Ready for liftoff, Anna.
Copy that, Ruby. Good luck, Penguinauts.
Ready, set, launch!
Meh.
Whoa!
Meh.
He made it! Way to go, guys!
Woohoo! Yeah! All right, Liam, who's next?
Right this way, sir.
Meh.
Meh.
Well, the bridge is fixed and the penguins are home in their super cool exhibit.
Thanks so much, kids.
No thanks necessary. We love to help.
Yep, but I'd give anything to be cool right now.
Meh.
Look!
Are you okay, Ruby?
So okay. How the ball bounces.
Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to, for the very first time, Flicker. You're picking up beach balls from Port Station and delivering them to Beach Station. Whee! Looks like Diesel wants to come along for the ride.
Best day ever!
And now you're really ready to
Make tracks! Ahoy, Skipper!
one batch of beach balls coming up.
Wait a minute. I know what would make this the best delivery ever. Not just any beach balls. Super big beach balls! Bigger and bigger and bigger! Hey, look! There's a giant beach ball rolling down the hill. Wait! That's my giant beach ball!
Don't worry, Flicker. We're on the way.
I've got it! Done and delivered!
Paw Patrol ready for action, riders, sir.
Katie's parade float is floated away.
Ah!
Ooh, I'd love a good scrub in a floating tub.
With Callie and Chicoletta in it. Marshall, use your ladder to bring Callie and Chicoletta down safely.
I'm fired up.
Chase, keep an area clear for the tub to land.
Chase is on the case.
Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Please keep clear. We need a safe perimeter to land the tub.
Ladder up. Callie, Chicoletta. Wakey, wakey, Chicoletta. Time to get rescued. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, no! Katie, how do you steer this crazy thing?
I don't know. I usually just wash pets in it.
Oh, my.
Easy, Callie.
We need Sky.
Sky! Marshall! Boy, am I glad to see you. Grab on! Look, no paws. Yes! You're safe and right between my cones.
Thank you so much, Ryder.
And the Paw Patrol.
Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help.
Rusty's Sandcastle Hassle. Okay, a couple of turbo twists and this fan is done. Hey, Jack, look!
Whirly wants to make friends with that fan.
Whirly, I wouldn't get too close if I were you. And done. Are you okay? Sorry, Whirly. I guess I fixed it too well. I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait! Whoa! It looks like you're totally ready for the beach, Liam. And I'm even more ready for the Sammy Scoops Sandcastle contest. Yeah, I'm so excited! Yeah, I'm gonna do it! Yeah! Whoa! A little help, please? You got it. Thanks. I can't lose these. Check them out. They're the plans for my sandcastle. Wow, pretty awesome. Yep, we're talking 7 turrets, a moat with a fancy bridge, a ping pong table, a bowling alley, 12 bedrooms, and a 3-trike garage. And that's just the first floor. You must have spent forever on these. And 4 entire boxes of crayons. Well, what are we waiting for? You've got a contest to get to. Come on! Time to pull! Come on, guys! Hurry! Wow, there it is. The Sandcastle Cup. Every kid's dream.
Attention, castle makers! You have 2 hours to scoop your way to victory. Starting now!
Yeah! Liam, you can do it! Way to go, Liam! Whoa! My castle! Huh? What a thief!
firecracker. Hey! Well, there's nothing that seagull can take that will stop me. Supposed to make my sandcastle now.
It looks like he's taking all the loot to that island. Must be his hideout.
We need to see what's going on. Let's get some bits on the fix. Whirly, we need your help.
Okay, Whirly, your mission is to follow that gull, find out where he stashed those plans, and bring them back.
All on it! Steady, Whirly. My plans! Go get him, Whirly! Whirly can't even get close!
We need another idea.
Ruby to Whirly. Mission canceled. Return to base camp.
Thanks for trying, Look out!
Whirly, are you okay? Now I'm even more behind.
We need to get Liam's sandcastle plans back before time runs out. I'm just going to have to go over there and get them myself.
Only problem, that island's not even close to close. It would be a long swim.
Who said anything about swimming? Sammy's pool chair can float. And those shovels look like pretty good paddles. I'll make a rowboat. Check it out. I'll row to the island and get those plans back in no time.
Good luck, Rusty. You can do it, Rusty. Uh-oh, the wind's picking up. This could get rough.
Watch out, Mr. Seagull, because Rusty's coming for those plans. Uh-oh.
You okay, Rusty?
We might need a new plan.
Poor Whirly. She really isn't having much luck with the wind.
Wait a second. The wind is pushing Whirly.
That's it. Let's combine it
and design it. If we start with your buggy, but lose the wheels,
and use Sammy's inflatable chair for it to float on,
plus the fan from the yard, which is big enough to push past those waves, put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The Power Fan Boat These waves aren't going to stop us again. Hang on, Ruby! Here it comes! Get ready! Woohoo! We did it! Next stop, the island. It's quiet.
Too quiet. Follow that call! It looks like she needs all this stuff for her nest.
This is a nest?
Yep, a super deluxe, one-of-a-kind, designed it herself, seagull's nest.
Whoa, I like this bird. She makes stuff, just like us. And, you know, if this is a nest, it probably means...
Oh, she's gonna have baby seagulls.
We can't exactly take those plans now.
Yeah, but Liam needs them.
But her nest needs them too. I do have another idea, though. Can I borrow your tablet?
Please tell me you got him, please. Well, not exactly.
But we do have this.
Yes, you took a picture of my plans. Thanks, guys.
Are those eggs? Long story.
All right, contestants, the competition is almost over.
We don't have much time.
Well, there is another thing just as important as your plans, Liam, and that is teamwork.
Let's build this castle together.
Yeah!
And done. Check it out, everybody.
For the sandcastle that really put a cherry on top, I present Team Liam with the one and only Sandcastle Cup.
Yes!
Yeah!
Huh?
My trophy!
So, you guys up for another boat ride?
Boat ride? I'll drive.
The toppling tower. Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to... Build It Brock.
Me? Really?
Yep, you get to pick up the supplies for the new tower at Building Yard Station and deliver them to Central Square Station, or you'll build it. Got it. I have a cool idea for the tower. It's gonna be super tall, so we can keep a lookout for anybody who needs rescuing.
And it has to be really loud. Like me!
And it should be really shiny, like my light and my belt. Now you're ready to
Make tracks!
Build it, Brock, build it best. Hey, Dusty, I need supplies to build this, please.
Come on, let's load you up.
Boy, this is way more parts than I planned on. Shinier! Taller! Higher! Louder! I couldn't make it steady enough. It's too tall. Oh no! I need to take it down. And now I have to rebuild it, and I know just how to do it. Sorry we got a little carried away.
That's okay. Next time, I'll speak up a lot sooner.
Done and delivered.